Thank you. And now we go to our final speaker, which is from Maat. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me the floor. Maat for Peace expresses its gratitude to the Working Group on Current Emerging Implementation Issues for its efforts to promote responsible international transfers of arms and ensure the implementation of the Arms Trade Treaty, or ATT. Today, as we discuss the role of industry in responsible arms transfers, we cannot turn a blind eye to the transfer of arms to human rights violators and parties to conflicts. The supply of weapons to the Israeli occupation army that killed tens of thousands of civilians in the Gaza Strip and destroyed their livelihoods by American, British, and Italian arms manufacturing companies is a reason for the devastation and destruction witnessed in Gaza. The American company Boeing provided the Israeli occupation army with a GBU-39 small-diameter guided bomb weighing 250 pounds, which it used to bomb civilians in May of 2024 in its airstrike on the Tel Al-Sultan refugee camp in Rafah. The British company BAE also supplied the Israeli occupation army with the M109 howitzer, a 155mm mobile artillery system that fires tens of thousands of shells at the Gaza Strip. The company also manufactures electronic missile launch kits and other components for the Israeli F-15, F-16, and F-35 fighter jets. Oshkosh manufactures armored military vehicle bodies and armored personnel carriers used in the occupied West Bank and Gaza, supplying the Israeli military with Namer 1500 and Itan armored personnel carriers. Lockheed Martin supplies the Israeli military with F-16 and F-35 fighter jets, which have been widely used in the bombing of Gaza. RTX supplies Israel with air-to-ground guided missiles for bunker buster bombs, which have been used against civilians and infrastructure in Gaza. Based on the above, Maat recommends the following: the need to conduct comprehensive human rights, due diligence assessments before, during, and after arms transfers to identify and mitigate potential risks by companies. 2, implement clear human rights policies that prohibit the transfer of arms to countries or entities involved in human rights abuses. 3, establish effective and accessible grievance mechanisms for individuals and communities affected by arms transfers and ensure the rights of victims. Thank you.
Thank you. I think there's one more flag that I can see that I think